This is You Can Change Vegan. And in this video we're making vegan choc chip muffins. Let's start by preheating the oven to 190 Celsius or 375 Fahrenheit. I've measured out all of my ingredients. You can find these measurements in the description. We're adding all the dry ingredients first, starting with self-raising flour, sugar, and salt. Grab your wooden spoon and then give that a stir until combined, and then create a well in the center. That's where we add in our wet ingredients, which are plant milk, melted vegan butter, and vanilla. Mix it all together with a wooden spoon until a smooth muffin batter forms like this. A tip here, if you get some lumps, just give it a quick whisk until everything is smooth. Now everyone's favourite ingredient, the chocolate chips. Reserve some for later and then add the rest in. Then fold them through the muffin batter. Line or grease your muffin trays. If you've watched my videos before, you know I use silicone liners. I like using a measuring cup to pour the batter in cleanly and evenly. Fill the muffins 3/4 full so they can rise. This makes 12 large muffins or 24 small. Now if you haven't eaten them already, decorate each muffin with a few more chocolate chips. These choc chip muffins are looking really good. They're now ready to go into the preheated oven for 25 minutes or until golden brown. After 15 minutes, turn the trays around and switch them from the high shelf to the low shelf. Allow to cool and then enjoy. Store the muffins in an airtight container once they're completely cool. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel and watch more vegan recipes here.